Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm going to be playing with the new Colourpop and Avatar collection. I am so stoked about this collection. They just sent it to me last night and I just had to play with it. I was so excited. I'm actually filming, editing, and uploading this today before I go to work. So hello from the present. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. This did just launch yesterday as well, but last I checked just a couple hours ago, everything was still in stock. So hopefully everything still will be. If you are curious about getting anything, hopefully it'll all still be there. It's quite a big collection. We have a good variety of stuff. We have skincare, lip products, eye products, a highlight, well actually two highlights. So we have a lot to talk about today. I'll be doing close-ups of all the products, I'll be doing swatches, and of course, showing you how I created this look using the products. At the end of the video, I'll give you my thoughts so far on the collection. Obviously, this is just a first impressions, but I'm pretty familiar with Colourpop products at this point, so I'll be able to give you pretty good insight, and yeah. We're gonna get into it. Before we do, let me just give you my accessory details. My earrings today are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and this is the Sharon ponytail from insert name here. You can use my code battybean for 10% off. All right, I think I've said it all. Let's just hop in and chat about the products themselves. So first things first, we have this Appa compact mirror, and it is so cute. It even says yip yip on it. It's adorable. Love this. Cute little addition. I am obsessed. We have a little mask duo. We have the Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask and the Big Detox Mud Mask. I actually used both of these last night and I was actually pretty impressed with them. I was getting some breakouts lately because of hormones and PMS and all the fun things. And I actually feel like the mud mask cleared me up really nicely and the Soak It Up one hydrated me really nicely. My skin looked really good this morning and my makeup applied nicely. So far so good on these. I'm happy with those and they're so cute. The packaging is adorable. We have the different element symbols and I love. We also have a Jasmine Tea lip mask. Look at little Uncle Eero. He's so cute. I'm really happy with this. I already know that I love the lip masks from Colourpop. I just love the smell of this one. It's very light and very clean. Very gentle tea scent. I love. It's so cute. Very pleased with that one. Wore that last night and this morning and my lips have been feeling good. We have two highlighters in the shades Got Glow and Moon Peach. I think Got Glow is going to be too deep for me. I think it's just going to be a little too golden. So I'm just going to save this one for a friend, but I did end up using Moon Peach today. It's so pretty. It's a very pretty, like icy peach with a little bit of kind of a blue radiance to it. It's very unique actually. I think this is really pretty. I think I'm going to be loving this one a lot, honestly. It might just become one of my favorite Colourpop highlighters, honestly, because it's just, I love it. We have two glossy lip stains. The packaging on everything is just so cute with this collection. We have the shades Fanatic and Sealed with a Kiss. Fanatic is more of like a bright pop-in cherry red, and Sealed with a Kiss is more of like a muted pinky reddish color. It's the one I'm wearing right now and I really like this color. I also love this formula. It's so comfortable. It goes on and it feels just so wet and cold, not in a tingly plumping way, just in like a, I don't know how to explain it. They just feel wet and cold and I love the sensation of it. And I feel like they stay glossy for quite a long time. And then when the gloss fades away, there is still a really pretty stain left behind. I love this formula, so I'm happy to see some more colors. We have some eye pencils and all of the packaging is so cute. They did do my boy Sokka dirty by not including him in this collection, but you know what? We'll let it slide. And also, why couldn't we have used book 3 Zuko? Thank you very much. That would have been nice, but anyways, I'm excited about the eye pencils. They're all metallic, which is my favorite. I love a metallic eye pencil. It makes your eyes just look so dewy and wet and amazing. We have the shades Blown Away, Fiery Fierce, Groundbreaker, and Making Waves. I love all of these colors, honestly. They're definitely colors that I will reach for. I especially love this blue. It's a really pretty shade of blue. I don't really have this exact shade in a metallic, I don't think. And I'm actually also really excited about the metallic neutral because that's just something that's so easy to throw in always. Always excited to add new eye pencils to my collection. And finally, last but not least, we have the actual Avatar The Last Airbender palettes. It opens like a book. The detail on this packaging is wonderful. We have 12 shades. It's more of like a vertical palette than horizontal. That's kind of how it opens, but I mean, you can open it however you want. We have a row of 3 for each element. We have the water, the earth, the fire, and the air. My main criticism with this is I wish there was more of a true green, like to represent like the Earth Kingdom's clothing. Like if this shade right here was more of that green, I think this palette would have been like kicked up just another notch. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with this. I actually think it's a lot prettier in person than pictures made it seem as well. I am gonna be doing another video on Instagram with this very soon, so just stay tuned. I'll be playing with this collection again. I'll be playing with more of the Fire Nation and Air Temple vibes for that one. I'm just so excited to see this collection. I would actually love to see more like Nickelodeon collections from Colourpop if they're gonna do more collabs. I feel like they've kind of done Disney enough. I am a big Disney fan, but I feel like they've kind of hit up so much of it. I'd like to see them explore another realm of pop culture and take a break from Disney. So I think this is a really exciting collection. I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, I think I've said it all. I think I've covered everything. Let's just get into the actual tutorial and I'll give you my final thoughts on everything after we return. All right, hello and good morning. I've already obviously gotten my makeup to this point. I have already put on the lip mask. I wore it last night. I'm wearing it again right now. It just smells delightful. I already know that I like the lip masks from them, but the smell of this one is very pleasant. We're gonna do highlight now because that is the next step in my routine before we move on to eyes. I don't think that Got Glow is gonna be great for my skin type. I think I'm too pale for it. So this is gonna be suited for someone who is darker than me. But I think Moon Peach will be very pretty. So this is the one I'm gonna use. I've already swatched it. It's so pretty, so let's give it a shot. I'm gonna use this Kaleidos highlighting brush. I like how dense it is. We're just gonna go to town and see how this goes. Ooh, it's so pretty. I do love the Super Shock cheeks from Colourpop, or the highlighters specifically. I like the blushes too, but I more so meant the highlight in this sense. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, I might possibly like this one more than Seismic and Flexitarian, actually. I don't know if I like it more than Flexitarian. That will always be a favorite, but this is really impressing me so far. Ooh, it just has such a good shine to it. And I like the very soft kind of icy blue reflect. It's really pretty. Ooh, okay. Well, so far, so good. I'm very pleased with that. Let's move on to the eyes. Obviously, we have the palette to play with. I don't really know exactly what I want to do yet. I haven't decided. Maybe a halo eye? That could be fun. I know I want to play with the blues in that dark olive green. That might be the vibe I go for today, and I might play with the reds and the mustardy color in my Instagram video. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to prime with my Colourpop Party Proof Primer. Just going to smear it on and blend it out. So I'm gonna start with Ice Shield right there. I'm gonna take that on my Blend Bunny B4 brush, and I'm just gonna start working that in the inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna use that dark olive to deepen things up, but I want this to be kind of my beginning shade. If it goes into the center like a little bit, it's fine, because I am gonna be blending anyways. But when I get to my darker shade, I want that to not touch the center. And for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna smoke it all the way across, just for a very smoky, blown out look. I will never get sick of blue eyeshadow, mark my words. I think it is so pretty. This collection is making me want to rewatch Avatar, and we just rewatched it maybe 2 years ago, like during the start of the pandemic. Kind of want to rewatch it again. I need to watch Korra. I still haven't watched it yet. Maybe we'll start that soon. We're in between shows anyways. Maybe we'll start Korra. I am gonna take Earth Rumble next. I'm gonna use my Blend Bunny B3 brush for this. And I'm gonna do kind of the same thing, but I'm gonna keep it really tucked just in the like outer and inner corner. I'm not gonna bring this up too high. I do just wish there was more of like a true green in here. That's like my biggest critique with the palette, because I'm pretty happy with it. I just wish there was more of like a green. I do like the olive. I'm happy the olive is here, but I want like maybe the tan shade to be a green. I feel like that would have been good. And again, I'm just gonna smoke on the lower lash line, trying to keep it really tight to my lashes. just to add some depth and dimension. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Ice Shield, that first shade, on my first brush, just to very lightly blend around the edges before I go in with an even fluffier brush. All right, I'm gonna take Ice Shield again now that I'm at this stage. I'm gonna use my Blend Bunny B5 brush, just a fluffier brush. I'm only taking a very little bit of it, and I'm tapping it off because I don't want it to go too crazy, but I do want a little bit more blue with a fluffier brush just to help blend the outside edges. So I really don't feel like using like a brown to help blend this out. I really want to keep it very blue and very colorful, even though it's like grungy colorful. That's kind of where I want to keep it. So just gonna very slowly build this up, add more color here and there. I am loving it. I'm really excited to play with the shimmers here in a second. All right, now taking my NYX Glitter Primer, because I use it with every shimmer ever. I'm gonna take this little dense Colourpop brush. It's an E26. Just gonna put a little bloop of it on there and just smear it across the lid. I'm not really doing anything cut creasy today, but I do want it just pretty spread so I can layer my shimmers on top so that they'll pop even more. So basically I'm gonna be putting Moon Spirit on the inner and outer, and then Water Tribe in the center. Water Tribe is so pretty. When I was filming my swatches, I actually thought, based on pictures that I saw online before it like got to me, that it was a matte, but it's not at all. It's actually a very pretty duochrome. I'm just using the same sticky brush, and I'm kind of patting it in the inner and outer corner so that this can fade into my crease work, and then I can have my lighter shade pop everywhere else. It's a really pretty blue. Just gonna take my little brush that I used with the blue earlier, no additional product, just to very lightly dust around the edge of this so that it can flow from matte to shimmer nicely. Then I'm actually just gonna flip that brush over to the clean side, and I'm gonna use that to stamp the lighter shade right in the center. It's so pretty. It just has such a nice glow to it. Every so often, Colourpop does this like very glowy shimmer formula where it's not crazy like sparkly or anything. It just has this really nice kind of iridescent glow to it, and I love it. I'm quite happy with that. I'm also actually gonna highlight my inner corner with the same shade because I think that would be super cute. Wow, I love it. I will probably use the blue eye pencil, let's just be real. So I think at this point I'm just gonna finish up the other eye, throw on that eye pencil, my lashes, and one of the lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. All right, here's the look complete. I really like how it came out. I think it's really pretty. I love these dimensional blues. I really like how that really dark olive deepened things up. I'm pretty happy with this final look. Again, I did use the blue eye pencil in the shade Making Waves. My lashes are the style Annoying from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. And my lip combo today is BFF2 lip pencil from Colourpop with the Sealed with a Kiss glossy lip stain from the Avatar collection. I love this look. I think it's very cute. I'm gonna be content wearing this for the rest of the day. I guess let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts on the collection so far. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my look playing with the collection. Let's just quickly recap everything really quick. I don't think I really need to say much more about the masks and the lip product. I used it last night. I've used this one twice now. I'm liking both so far. So yeah, there's that. Again, the highlight might be my favorite part of this whole collection, if I'm being quite honest with you. I just think it's such a pretty color. I'm obsessed. Moon Peach. That's a good one. The glossy lip stains, again, I love this formula, and I really like this color that I'm wearing right now. It's really pretty. When I first applied it, I was like, oh, that's a little brighter than I thought it would be. But I actually think it's quite beautiful. So I'm very happy about that. I'll try to remember to wear the bright red one soon for you. There's not really a whole lot I can say about the eye pencils. I personally like Colourpop's eye pencil formula. I'm happy that they're all metallics. I'm pretty pleased with these colors. Again, I probably would have been a little more happy if the brown was like a green instead of a brown for Earth Kingdom, but I'm also not mad at it either. I think it's fine. It's a nice shade of brown. It has a very like toasty background to it. And finally, we have the palette. I just love the packaging. It's so pretty. It is so cute. It's actually probably my favorite packaging they've done for a pop culture collab so far. I love it. I think it's so cool. I feel like everything performed just like Colourpop shadows typically do for me. I think the mattes are very blendable. The shimmers are pretty. Again, I really like they added that very glowy iridescent shade that's in my center of my lid and inner corner. Again, that particular formula from them isn't super like sparkly or metallic. It's just glowy, and I really like it. I think it adds a nice effect. And again, I feel like the only thing I'd really like urgently want to switch out is just change this beige to a brighter green. That would have made me thrilled. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with this palette. I think it's cute. I really like the look of primary colors together, so seeing the blue, the red, and the yellow together make me really happy. I'm pretty pleased. I gotta say, I'm pretty pleased. I think they did a really good job with this. And yeah, I think I've said it all. Again, I will have an Instagram video going up soon, so just stay tuned for that if you want an additional look for inspiration. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me the element on which realm you resonate with the most. Do you feel like you are part of the water tribe, the earth kingdom, the fire nation, the air temple? I feel like I resonate most with, either the water tribe or the earth kingdom. I don't know if I can pick. I guess I'll say water tribe right now, so I'm wearing lots of blue. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.